If your Toshiba portable air conditioner is showing a P1 error code, it means the unit believes the internal drain tank is full. Even if the tank looks empty, the system may still detect trapped water or a sensor issue. Start with safety. Turn the unit off and unplug it from the power outlet. Locate the lower drain plug at the back or bottom of the unit. Place a shallow pan underneath and fully remove the plug to drain any residual water. Even small amounts left inside can trigger the P1 warning. If the error continues, inspect the drain opening and plug. Make sure the plug seals tightly when reinstalled. Use a small brush or pipe cleaner to remove debris inside the drain port. You can also flush the drain line gently with distilled water or a mild vinegar solution to clear buildup. Next, check that the unit is sitting completely level. If it's tilted, water may pool incorrectly and activate the float sensor. Also, clean the air filter. A clogged filter increases condensation, which can overwhelm the drainage system. If the P1 code still appears after draining, cleaning, and leveling the unit, the internal water level sensor may be faulty and giving false readings. In that case, contact Toshiba customer support or a qualified technician, especially if your unit is under warranty.